Tired of dealing with multiple keys? Or you want to change your key every so often, but not the lock? I got the product for you. Let's go. Let's take the old doorknob off real quick. 2 screws here. This is great for real estate agents, rental units, or if you need to change your lock so that someone doesn't have access to your house anymore. And let's take out the 2 screws by the inside knob. Once the 4 screws are out, we can easily pull everything apart. We're going to change this out with a new Kwikset doorknob that we could program a key to at any time we want. Opening the package up, they give you everything to replace a doorknob or installing a new one from scratch on a new door. If this is the first time you've installed a knob, you'll want to make sure the latch angle end is towards the door so when you close it, it pushes it back in. Yeah, I know, common sense, but if you mess up, I'm just trying to save you time. I'm going to detach the assembly. They always make these so the screws are hard to get to, and you have to angle the screwdriver. And I'll save the screws for later. Let's put the outside knob on first and align with the half moon with the door latch. Actually, with this doorknob, you'll want to put in the screws first and put them far enough down, but not too far, and you turn and lock it in the U-shaped secure points and tighten up with a screwdriver. A couple test turns and test the lock. Good to go. Now, what you've been waiting for. Time to program the old key to the new lock. You take the new key that was included in the Kwikset package and stick it in the door lock and move counterclockwise 90 degrees. And see that little notch? The kit comes with this small little metal tool. We're going to place this all the way in the hole and then pull the key out. And now we're going to place the key in that we want to open the door. In this case, the older key that matches the front door. I want 1 key to open the front door and the security gate. Turn the key clockwise 180 degrees. The pins inside the lock will adjust to the new key. Now let's bring the key vertically and test the lock to the key. Works great. The great thing about these Smartkey Kwikset locks is you can keep changing the keys. Just use the key that works and go through the process again with the metal tool and insert the key you want to use. No reason to change locks anymore. Just keep reprogramming the lock. I hope you find this video useful, and if you did, let me know by giving me a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you don't give me a thumbs up and subscribe, well,